In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation in LibreOffice Calc. If your spreadsheet doesn't fit the way you want when you print or export to PDF, switching between portrait and landscape can make a big difference. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few helpful tips along the way so you know what to expect. First, launch LibreOffice Calc. You can open it from your Applications menu, your desktop shortcut, or however you normally start it. Once Calc is open, either open an existing spreadsheet file or create a new one. This way, you can immediately see how the page orientation affects your content. Next, look to the top menu bar and click on Format. This is where Calc keeps most of the layout and page setup controls you'll use for printing. From the Format menu, choose Page Style. This opens the Page Style dialog, which controls how your sheet will look on paper or in a PDF. In the dialog that appears, select the Page tab. This tab is dedicated to page size, margins, and, importantly for us today, the orientation setting. Focusing on the paper format section, find the orientation options. You'll see Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is taller than it is wide, which is often best for lists and narrow tables. Landscape is wider than it is tall, which can be perfect for spreadsheets with many columns or wide dashboards. Choose the orientation that best fits your data. A quick rule of thumb: if your columns are getting cut off on the right when you print, switching to landscape usually helps everything fit on fewer pages. If your sheet is more vertical and you don't need the extra width, stick with portrait for a clean, standard layout. When you've made your choice, click OK to apply the changes to your spreadsheet. You should notice the page boundaries adjust to reflect your new layout. This change affects how the sheet prints and how it exports to PDF, so it's a good idea to glance at your content after the change to make sure it looks right. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Orientation is set per page style, so if you're working across multiple sheets with different needs, you may want to repeat these steps on each sheet. And before you print, consider using a preview to confirm the orientation looks exactly the way you want. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. Now you know how to change page orientation in LibreOffice Calc.